we have resolved 4-point agenda, which I want to declare with the press. In this CC meeting, we resolve one number agenda in order to contain post-election violence. Further stringent action must be taken up by the police department. The culprit, directly or indirectly involved with post-election violence, must be arrested and awarded exemplary punishment as per rule of the law. Second, immediate relief should be provided to all victims of current post-election violence. Further, appropriate compensation should be provided to the individual and families who have been affected physically, injury, fire in dwelling house, shop, and looting out valuable properties, ransacking of dwelling house, and destroy of rubber plantation and other standing crop, including looting out and poisoning of fish from the pond and lakes. Third, IPFT party appeal to all the section of the population, irrespective of political belief and ideology, to maintain peace and cordial atmosphere all over the state, with special reference to TTIDC area. In case of continuation of post-election violence, IPFT will be under compulsion to organize peaceful democratic movement for self-protection. IPFT appeal to the people of the state to maintain peace and calm. If situation continue, if violence continue any further, IPFT will compelled to have a aggressive movement, peaceful movement, whole of the state, especially in Aris area. IPFT is closely watching the situation. Whoever involved in this violence, whoever involved, but maybe any political party belong, IPFT will be compelling to have a aggressive movement. And I believe IPFT have still very strong role. We have a lot of cadres, volunteers in this area. Therefore, we appeal on behalf of our party, we appeal to the government of Tripura as well as the police department to take immediate action whoever involved in this incident. We have a lot of FIR filed, and also we have identified so many culprits, directly, indirectly, who involved in this violence. We have already identified, and we have given some name also to the police. But unfortunately, though I'm also minister, belong to the state government minister, I really feel sorry why the police is not taking action immediately. Therefore, IPFT party will be compelled to have a vigorous movement, aggressive movement, if situation continue. Tini ang sana musugo